Hey, I'm Brandon with Cycle Gear, and we're here to take a look at the AGV K3 SV Helmet. Now, this is a great option for those of you out there looking for an aggressive, sport-oriented helmet with the convenience of an internal sun visor. So let's take a closer look and see how this helmet could benefit your ride. The K3 SV helmet is designed for that 3/4 to full tuck aggressive riding position. It's coming in that sub $200 price range, and for a few extra bucks more, you can get some of the most iconic racing replica graphics in the MotoGP racing world, including the doctor himself, Valentino Rossi. Now, one of the first things I wanted to touch on was the construction here. We've got a polycarb shell, which is going to help keep this helmet lightweight yet strong. We actually threw it up on the scales, came in at 3 pounds, 10 ounces, in a size medium large. Now, this helmet is available in 2 shell sizes, and that shell break is at a medium small and a medium large. I'll talk a bit more about that sizing a bit later. Now, if we take a closer look at the design here, you're going to see this Hawksbill curve. Now, this trickles down from their racing technology and is designed for a more aggressive riding position. And of course, this helmet is DOT certified, but it also has the ECE certification as well. Now, keep in mind, this helmet is over $49, so it will ship to you for free. But you also have the added benefit of buying online, shipping to one of our store locations, where you can check out this helmet in person with one of our gear experts. And now that we have a better idea of what this helmet's made of and some of the benefits here, we're going to head on over, talk about the fit, as well as some of these additional features. So the K3 SV is available in sizes extra small all the way up to 2XL. It comes in 3 solid color options, and there's a few graphics available as well. Now, for reference, I measure right at 22.5 inches, and I'm wearing a size medium small. It fits me true to size. Now, AGV does things a little bit differently. They offer you a medium small as well as a medium large. So it's going to give you a few additional options there so you can better fine tune the fit, which is ultimately going to lead to a more comfortable fitting helmet. Now, if we take a look here on the inside of the helmet, we've got a neutral oval fit here. It's a bit more elongated front to back than it's going to be side to side. That neutral oval is somewhere in between an intermediate oval and a round oval. But if you're not sure about fitment, keep in mind that we have over 130 store locations nationwide. Our gear experts are in store, ready to give you a personalized fitting and make sure that your gear fits you right the first time. Now, back to some of the finer details here with the K3 SV helmet. You'll see that we have 4 active vents. We've got an active vent here at the chin, and then we have 3 active vents at the top of this helmet. Now, if we swing around to the back, you're going to find 2 passive vents. So that combination is what's going to allow air to be pulled through the helmet, through the EPS, keeping you nice and comfortable when you're out there on the road. Now, one thing to mention about the active vent here at the chin is that the lever is located on the inside of the chin bar. But even if you've got a bulky pair of gloves on, it's very simple to find and very easy to manipulate. Now, moving up from the chin, you'll see that we have a few detents here with the shield, and it seals very well with the gasket we have lining it. Now, one thing I wanted to mention here is that we have an active detent here. That's going to create a slight gap here, which allows air to come through the helmet and through the shield. It's going to help eliminate some fogging that you might experience if you're riding at those lower speeds, or perhaps you get caught out there in the rain. Now, one of the most beneficial and prominent features of this helmet is going to be the internal sun visor here. So you can simply engage that internal sun visor if the sun's out, and you're going to have the eye protection you're looking for. It retracts inside the helmet when you don't need it, and that's going to help eliminate the need to carry around an additional shield. Now, moving from the exterior to the interior here, you'll see that everything in this helmet is fully removable. You can take the cheek pads out, you can take the liner out, wash it, pop it back in the helmet, and you're going to keep everything in here nice and fresh for the duration of its life. Now, if we take a closer look on the inside of the helmet here, you'll see that we have some speaker cutouts. So there's a recessed area on both sides of this helmet, and that's going to accommodate a communication system if that's something you're interested in adding to this helmet. So there you have it, an aggressive sport-oriented helmet with the convenience of an internal sun visor. But if you're looking for more details, feel free to click that info button on your desktop or mobile device, and that will take you to cyclegear.com. Or you can always head to one of our 130 store locations and take a look at this helmet in person with one of our gear experts. Thanks for taking a look at the AGV K3 SV helmet. I'm Brandon. We'll see you just around the corner.